What's great about when you live with complete idiots or related to complete idiots that destroy everything in 5 miles? Say that the clips are all broken when they crash to the garbage pail. This is all screwed up now in the molding. I'm just gonna go take the whole molding off, I think, and leave it off. Take this off and have no side step anymore. We'll just keep removing parts until, it's kind of like what happened over here when they keep on crashing into the side of the white truck, which has like $4,000 of damage. Look at that hologram going over there. You see that? How bad that bedside is? And like this is all popped out. Then they broke all the clips and the fender flare flies off, Now it needs a fender flare. Then the fender flare comes off and we're still ramming into stuff. There's a crease over here and there's a dent. And there's a whole nother little line over here because we're still running into stuff. It's just, and then that wasn't good enough, so we had to run into some more stuff, It's just, when does it end? And how do you not learn your lesson the first time? I just don't know. Everywhere you look, it's ruined. And $4,500 of damage. I hear that going down the road. I love it. One day I'm going to take this bed off when I have strength and just throw it into the scrap iron yard. I'm going to have no bed on it. What happened to it? Oh, it was too damaged. There's a big old dent over there. Someone dented it. That's new. There's a big ding right here. Never used to have one.